Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to link in Wix. First, select the text or image you wish to link. Click the link icon, often represented by a chain. Choose your link type, such as a web address for an external site. Paste the URL into the designated field. You can also set it to open in a new window. This ensures visitors stay on your site while exploring external content. It's a straightforward process to connect your site to the wider web. Next, let's explore internal and anchor links. To link to another page on your Wix site, select Page from the link options and choose the desired page. For anchor links, first add an anchor to a section on your page. Then, select Anchor as the link type and pick your anchor. You can also link directly to an email address or phone number, making it easy for visitors to contact you with just one click. This enhances user experience significantly. Now let's look at linking to documents and lightboxes. To link a document, upload your file to the Wix Media Manager. Then, select Document as your link type and choose the uploaded file. For lightboxes, create your lightbox first. When linking, select Lightbox and pick the one you want to display. This is perfect for showcasing promotions or collecting information. Remember to provide clear instructions for users interacting with these elements, ensuring a smooth experience. Finally, managing and testing your links is crucial. Regularly review all links on your site to ensure they are still active and pointing to the correct destinations. Before publishing any changes, click every single link to confirm it functions as intended. Broken links can frustrate visitors and harm your site's credibility. Also, use descriptive link text, which helps both users and search engines understand your content better. A well-maintained site offers a superior user experience.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.